Hello and welcome to Hayfield, and once again, back in the Peak District National Park. And today, well, we're going up a hiker's guide favourite today, and it is Kinder Scout. But it's not one route up Kinder Scout, it's not just any route, it's the Hayfield route, and that is the route that the famous Kinder Scout Trespassers took in the 1930s in order to gain freedom of the countryside, and so that we can do what we're doing today, and we've got to appreciate that as we're walking up there. Okay, so we've just got to Bowden Bridge or Bowden Bridge. I've never been here before, so correct me in the comments if I am wrong. So it really is a very different area to the Edale route up Kinder Scout, I've noticed here. So you've firstly got more woodland rather than open hills and that type of landscape all around me. And also you've got the River Kinder on my right here, just there. We then walked along the beautiful River Kinder and along to Kinder Reservoir, where we looked up to the peaks that we'd eventually be climbing, and we walked along Kinder Reservoir and up to the bottom of William Clough. So, hopefully you can hear me because it is quite windy, but we are now on William Clough, which is going up to Kinder Scout, and behind me is this spectacular, well not spectacular, but quite beautiful little mini waterfall here just coming down from William Clough, and up there is Kinder Scouts, Kinder Downfall, and eventually the Pennine Way. We're going to keep on going up William Clough here. And then what we're going to see is what William Clough has on offer. Of course, William Clough was great, and the river on it was even better on a hot summer's day. However, it was even better when we reached the summit of William Clough and the cairn, which showed us that we were on Kinder Scout. So, we're now at the top, the very top of William Clough, and I'll get a bit closer so you can hear me actually. So what we're going to do is head up over to Kinder Downfall now, and that really will be spectacular, even in these, well, let's say Kinder Scout conditions. So you can see that we've walked all the way from right over there, from Kinder Reservoir, from Hayfield, and now we're going to walk up. Okay, so we're now at what's called Sandy Haze, and this really is quite an amazing view. You can see Kinder Reservoir over there. You can see Mount Fan behind me over there, and then you can see Kinder Downfall over there. And although I couldn't have been more right about the amazing views, I really couldn't have predicted the astounding views which we were going to see. Okay, so now we're at what is Kinder Gate, which is where lots of tributaries of the rivers round here actually meet up. And that was Kinder Downfall that you saw some clips of before. Kinder Downfall is the highest waterfall in the whole of the Peak District, and also one of the highest in the whole of amazing that even we could see over and beyond Manchester, Stockport, Hayfield and Edale. Okay, so we're now just heading down the Pennine Way, which we've actually been walking along the plateau down since we left the beautiful and the spectacular Kinder Downfall. But we're going to head now to Upper Booth Farm and then to Lee Farm, and through both of those farms we're going to head along the Pennine Way back to Edale. Okay, so we're now back in Edale outside the Nag's Head pub. We've just walked from Kinder Scout and from Hayfield. It's been around 8-mile walk today. It's taken 6.5 hours, which is one of the longest walks we've done on Kinder Scout actually, and it's been a really good walk. We're back in Edale, we're going to get the train back into the city now, and we're going to get some refreshments here before we leave back for the city. So thank you for watching this Hiker's Guide adventure. It's been great doing it. It's been a fabulous walk today. Click the in-video links at the bottom to view a map of the walk and also to see my Instagram account, which will have photos of this walk on very shortly. And please remember to like, comment and subscribe the video as well for more hiking, walking and cycling videos like this. See you next time.